Hey Planner fam, welcome back to Best Slayed Plans, and I am going to be doing my August monthly plan with me for the last video in August, and I went ahead and I kind of changed up my nail polish color to this kind of fall rosy gold color because I thought that would be nice for end of August and September, so hopefully I'm not too shiny. But we are going to be using a subscription kit from Sugar Pop Fizz, and this is the April 2025 subscription kit, and its theme is at the museum, and I love this. I think it has a very fun, like, academia style to it, so perfect for back to school month. So we're going to be using not all of the kit because it is a very large kit, and I could probably break this apart and use this for other spreads and things. I really like the colors in it. And to kind of pop these and stay with the theme, I have some washi from Simply Gilded. These are kind of like the wizard school colors. I have this blue and then a green, and I think that will work really, really well. And then because I love the idea of like artwork being involved in the spread to layer with our boxes, I pulled these. These are just some beautiful like Victorian and Pre-Raphaelite artwork pieces, stamps, and these stickers were actually from, they're in like the journaling section of Villa Beautiful, so that's where I got them. So this seemed like an opportune time to pull these out and use them. So that is everything that I'm going to be using, and I'm actually going to start with laying stickers this time. And when I get a kit like this, typically what I like to do is look at the washi it comes with and decide where I'm going to put that first. So I think I want to put this on the top, and I don't mind covering this because we've got date covers. So let's do, I think I'm actually gonna cover up August, and I'll get a sticker for August. And then for the monthly spread, since I don't have a lot of room here at the bottom, and there's some dates and things I want to make sure I have there, I'm going to put this to the side. And then I'm going to bring the other piece down here. So that is how I've laid out those. And now I'm just gonna add our date stickers, and I'm not gonna be using these little dots. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually cut the sticker, and just so I can use the, and maybe I'll use those dots somewhere else, but I'm just gonna cut the sticker so that I have just the date pieces. And before I lay those down, that is where I want to add my washi. So that step's next. Now I will add our days of the month. Days of the week for the month. Okay, so that is that sticker sheet done now. And now that I have the initial washi placement and everything down, I'm going to go into our full boxes. And for this month, we have some long boxes. And because the first of the month is not until a Friday, I'm going to use these starting over here and just kind of get them laid out in order. And the nice thing about her kits is they come with all the different skin tones and colorways and like alternates, so I can use these in a future spread. Very cute. So now I'm just going to go into our layering stickers, and I'm going to look for a couple different things. I think what I'd like to use is these brown ones here for the side to just kind of have notes for the month. And one of these definitely has headers. Here we go. So I'm going to take this one that says "Get It Done," and I would like to combine that with this. And then for this corner here, I think I'm going to take this kind of pretty art collage and I'm just going to set that there. And then on top of that, I'm going to layer one of these, and let's see. Oh, I really, really like that. This is just an example where you can find like two completely different style like shops and stickers and they just go perfectly. So now that I have that done, I'm going to start adding the days where I have meetings and things, and I'm going to be using these large box stickers for that. So let's go ahead and do that. I have a meeting on the 16th. I also may have a meeting on the 15th. Not quite sure yet, so I'll just kind of add one there. Meeting on the 20th. And then this is also the first day of school, so there's a lot happening on the 25th. So I'm just gonna plop that in there too. I like that because it kind of looks like paint. I think that's cool. And then there's that. So I think that's all the big stuff right now. It's a busy month and I have a lot of things during the week, but I want to have kind of big ticket things here, and I don't plan on renumbering anything, so I'm just kind of keeping it like this. So the next step is going to be then adding the, since I'm finished with the kit for now, I'm going to go ahead and layer in these stickers. So that's next. So just to finish off the spread, I have this golden script August sticker. This is from the Essential Dates and Numbers Happy Planner sticker book. And we'll put that right here. So that is basically everything before the pen. And I will go ahead and write everything in. I'm going to just use one of my pens from the Angel Shop. This is the Mushy Works collab pen. So it's just black ballpoint. So here we go. So as it ever is, I missed one thing, so I went ahead and added it in on the 8th. I'm going to go in now and see if I can't add a few items here. I'm probably not going to fill out everything. I usually have things that I still have to kind of write in during the month. But we'll go ahead and put the major tasks down. So I have some course shells to build, lessons to lesson planning. I've got lectures to record. So there's different things that I need to do, and I have personal projects for the house. So that is going to be the next thing here. So this is the finished spread, and I like how this came out, and I love how it looks like an art gallery with all of the little paintings, and I'm super, super happy with it. So that is it for my August videos. I will be back in September with more videos, so stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in the next one. Please like, subscribe, share, and I will have, again, all shops linked in the description box, and I will see you in September. Bye!